Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I will be going through 6 common mistakes often made when using gel nail polish. Let's get into it. The first common mistake is skipping nail prep. Not buffing, cleaning and dehydrating your nails properly before applying gel polish can cause poor adhesion and premature lifting. Here, I am properly prepping my nails using the fine side of the Gelous nail file, the Gelous dust brush, lint-free wipe soaked in nail polish remover, and finishing with nail primer. The second common mistake is applying your polish too thick. Applying gel polish in thick coats can result in undercuring or chipping. It's best to apply thin, even layers. The third common mistake is not capping the free edge. Forgetting to cap the top edge of your nails can result in lifting and chipping, particularly at the tips. Cap the free edge using the gel nail polish brush or a thin nail art brush. The fourth common mistake is not cleaning polish off your skin. Failing to remove gel polish from your skin before curing can cause peeling or reactions. Use our nail polish remover pen to remove any polish off the skin before curing. The fifth common mistake is painting too close to your skin. Painting too close to the skin can cause lifting. When applying, you should leave a small gap between the gel polish and your skin. Using a colored rubber base helps you see where you're painting for a clean finish. The final common mistake is not addressing weak nails. Weak nails that bend away from the gel polish can cause lifting or chipping. Start by using rubber base to provide flexibility and adhesion. If extra strength is needed, apply a thin coat or two of builder gel. Over time, as your nails grow longer, you can build an apex with builder gel like so for added structure and durability. We hope this helps you with your gel nail polish journey. Thanks for watching!